The Watcher. There is a place hidden beyond time and reality. A place where nothing exists except the Watcher. It stands in silence, unmoving, waiting. Its form is twisted, grotesque, a horror that defies understanding. Its body is a grotesque mixture of claws, tentacles, and alien shapes, stitched together as if by some malevolent force that thrives on the collision of the unnatural. But it is not its form that terrifies. It is its eye. The Watcher's eye is unlike any other. It's not just an eye. It's a portal. A gateway to another dimension. A dimension where time and space break down. Where the laws of nature collapse like fragile paper, crumbling beneath the weight of its gaze. When you look into it, you don't merely see through it. You are pulled in, dragged into a place where nothing makes sense, where everything is chaos. There are no clear skies here, no sense of day or night. The sky bends and twists like melted glass, shifting from crimson to black, to unnatural shades of green and purple. The ground beneath your feet buckles as if the earth itself is alive. And then there are the creatures. They move in ways that your mind cannot comprehend, shifting and bending like living nightmares. Some are impossibly large, their forms stretching and twisting beyond any natural proportion, while others are so small that they appear only as fleeting shadows. Some seem to be made of smoke, while others are solid, with sharp, glistening teeth that glitter like knives. There are whispers, too, but they're not words you can hear. They're thoughts, your thoughts, echoing back at you, distorted and bent into grotesque forms. This is a place where reality is nothing but a fleeting memory, and time is as unpredictable as the shifting tide. The air is thick with a sense of dread, and every moment feels like an eternity. Your very existence here feels fragile, as if a single wrong thought could cause you to break apart. You're caught in a never-ending loop of uncertainty, with no clear way out. But perhaps the most terrifying thing is not the creatures, the strange landscape, or even the sense of unreality that surrounds you. No, it is the Watcher itself. The Watcher doesn't need to chase you. It doesn't need to strike fear into your heart by hunting you down. It doesn't need to kill you. No, the Watcher's power is far more insidious. It simply watches. And in doing so, it shows you everything.